Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to brighten and get a glowing skin. And this face pack is mainly for dry skin people. So let's get into the video. For that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oats powder, 1 tablespoon of almond powder and 2 tablespoon of milk. Mix it nicely to make a paste. Now the mixture is ready to use. And this is how my face looks like after 20 minutes. This face pack has been separated into patches like this and it's falling down. So I'm going to wash my face now. And this is how my face looks like. And coming to the benefits, my skin is so soft and it moisturizes my skin and it gives instant brightness to my skin. Do try this at your home and leave your comment in the below section. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, signing off from Revathi. Bye.